It's draft day, baby. I don't have my football announcement, background going on, but it's draft day. Trading wars, question everything, trust nothing. Welcome to Debate Crypto. It's your boys, Keeper and Crusader, here for draft day. We're here to announce the trading. We're here to announce the losing team, which is going to be Crusader.
Dude, you're gonna get smoked, bro. You don't even know what's coming. If I get my picks, if I get the picks I want, you're getting smoked.
You're gonna get put to sleep like whoever wants to finally fight me in karate combat. So somebody's taking a nap. All right. All right. So we have a few people backstage we're going to pull up that are in the show. Everybody could not show up today, guys, but we've got a few people in the house. Let's kick them off here. Evan Aldo in the house, brother. How are you?
Doing fantastic. Eagerly. I'm very excited to see what team I'm on. Thanks for
yeah, dude. It's going to be lots of fun. We got your boy, Crypto Face. Face, what's up, brother?
Yo.
Face is going to be actually showing his face when Trading Wars goes live.
Well, that depends if I even show up. I don't know whoever's taking me. It's like a 50% chance I show up.
Yeah, so exactly. If you're on my team, you'll show up.
You gotta wait. I get it.
I get it. We got Crypto Lifer in the house. Lifer, what's up, brother? You are muted. All right. Lifer's going to figure out the gear at the bottom middle of the screen. And while we're waiting, the man, the myth, the legend. Ben,
can you hear me?
What up? How is everybody? Are we excited?
Can you hear me now?
Keep
good.
Yep.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
We can
Okay, cool.
All right, so
is that the Verizon guy? Whoa. Is that the Verizon guy? Did I hear the Verizon guy?
It is. He's well dressed, looking good. We can hear you, bro.
I just got hit with the sprinklers by my neighbors. I was walking.
You got hit with the sprinklers in a three-piece suit?
Yeah, it was crazy.
What are you doing walking in your front yard with that get up?
Dude, I walk my neighbor's dog every day as a nice gesture because he sits at home all day by himself. And when I pick up my daughter, I walk the dog, but she's playing mule, and then I got hit with the freaking sprinklers.
What a freaking
That happens to my like Uber delivery drivers. Like, like I know if they come at 9 o'clock, I'm like, for the sprinklers, you know what I'm saying?
They're getting smacked by your sprinkling system.
He just turns them on purpose as they're coming down the driveway. Turn them on.
Boop. Turn it on.
That's cool.
All right, so
you get hit by rain every day, because every day when I go outside, I get hit with a new lawsuit. So.
Well, we're hoping to smack some heads in Trading Wars. So thank you guys for all being here. All right, so a lot of you have already heard. Glad that everybody's here. Smash the like if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed. This kicks off on Monday. We've got 4 of the 10 traders on here just to kind of briefly go over what we're doing. Mondays and Thursdays. So Mondays are going to be a team of 5. Thursdays are going to be a team of 5. It's going to be a 4-week season. The 5 traders are going to compete against the other 5 traders. I'm going to be effectively a coach of one team. Crusader is going to be the coach of the other team. Crusader will be the coach of the losing team.
Right.
And so
they're in trouble because only one of us 2 actually trades.
So my gut instinct is telling me, just like with trading, that I'm going to win. And so ultimately, so we're going to the teams, and here's where it gets interesting, right? So let me just break the rules real quick. $2 billion market cap. So for everybody that's trading against the professional traders, just know that we're going to be like ZoomX, who is sponsoring that's going to be the platform we're trading on. They are looking in the background for you. You've got to be trading with a $2 billion or higher market cap. Now, crowd, audience, you guys can trade 24/7. That gives you a huge advantage. We are forcing these traders to trade within a 1-hour time frame. So just to be clear, this is not, we always tell you, don't force a trade. Well, guess what we're doing? We're forcing people to trade, right? So we're going to push everybody to their limits. We're going to have fun with it. We're going to talk some shit. It's going to be great. So that's the kind of basic overall idea. I think it gets interesting, Crusader, if you want to jump in on this with the team aspect. Talk to me about the team aspect.
Yeah, man, the team aspect makes things a little bit more dynamic, right? The teams are going to have to figure out a rhythm, a strategy to either work together, because if members start going rogue and start doing whatever they want whatever their P&L is affects the team's P&L, right? If they're taking losses and they're not paying attention to what the rest of the team is doing, they're going to pull the team down. So they're going to have to figure out a strategy and be able to build a dynamic. Everybody has very different trading strategies. So everyone might not agree on certain trades and certain leverages to take for a trade. So they're going to have to figure that out. If they don't, they're going to struggle.
Yeah, and you don't, just to be clear, it's not like the team has to take the same trade. All 5 people can take different trades, whatever. But we're going to start at 2:45. To be clear, we've been starting at 3. We're going to start at 2:45. There's going to be 15 minutes where the team is going to get together and strategize for what the game plan is for the day. Maybe the different assets they're looking at. We'll take a look at the market caps. We'll kind of see what's going on, feel it out, and then 3 to 4 is going to be the trading time frame. Again, you guys use the link. 20%. Literally, you get a 20% bonus if you guys use our link for those first 100 people. So if you put in 10 grand, they're going to give you 2 grand right now. So just jump on in there, do whatever you want to do. Be smart about it. Let's have some fun doing it.
How many coins are you said? What?
29.
Like the viewers are also able to trade and be in. Is there a prize? Are we able to win a prize for the winning team?
Yes. So the
fries with this burger.
The winner. Well, let's be clear. You guys have all been blessed with the ability to trade with money and make money like the professional traders that you are. So that's what you've been blessed with, right? And the winner of the competition is going to get at least $1,000. I don't know what the threshold is, but they were talking about a certain trading volume. That number could get larger. So if a ton of people start getting involved in this, that number is going to get larger. I just don't know what the actual threshold is.
So it's actually like a tournament, not just with like us, but the people. You're telling me like the people.
Yeah, the audience is competing as well, and to see.
Are they competing against us, or is it a separate thing?
Against.
It's a little bit of both, but yes, mostly against.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, so they can trade 24/7 face, and so they can literally trade through the whole month. You guys only get the hour session 4 times throughout the month, and then if somebody can beat a team P&L, then they're going to take home at least $1,000. So it's going to be fun.
And you guys get to take home all the money you make on all the trades, right? You're giving $1,000, and whatever money you make throughout that 4-week competition, you guys could take home.
Yeah,
well,
that's going to be dope.
I think that I'm excited to see who's going to pick me, but I just want to go ahead and get this out of the way so everybody understands. Like, I'm going to be taking everyone's money, and whoever my team leader is, I'm going to be taking over this channel at the end of it. Thank you.
Oh shit!
Are we going to have team captains?
This is getting real. Yeah, me and Crusader, of course.
We're going to have real team captains.
Damn it! I knew
those
that
coaches. No, you guys are the coaches. You don't.
Well, you know what?
You have your team captain.
I'll tell you what. You got listen. That could be a team strategy. Maybe you have a captain that comes in, and maybe one of the teams says, "Hey, we want to have a captain that will override if there's kind of a disagreement." The captain says, "Hey, here's what we're going to do." Maybe that's a strategy that your team uses. Face. We'll have to figure it out. So just to take a quick, brief look. So $2 billion market cap, that takes us down all the way to number 29 Ethereum Classic. So anything north of Ethereum Classic, well, you can use Ethereum Classic too, but anything north of that. And just to be clear, the reason that we did that,
my whole life,
Gareth Soloway actually brought up the idea. He said, listen, like the reality is we got a lot of big time traders on here. If we start trading shit coins on here, we're going to be
we're going to pump the shit out of them.
Yeah, we're going to be pumping tokens.
Wait, I thought that's why I signed up.
Well, Ben, I mean, we've been doing that for years.
We got $1,000 account.
Of course, Ben's there to bump tokens. All right, cool.
Yeah, but if like 50 traders take the trade, I'll take, and they put 10 grand in it. It's a tiny coin, and then next thing you know, we'll have 50 grand, and then 100 grand, and
and all of a sudden it gets wild, and then the SEC is knocking on Keeper and Crusader's door, saying, "What the hell's going on with this?" That's what's going to happen.
I've got them on speed dial. No worries.
No, I mean that's like people heard about.
I'll reference you to
like,
Ben.
If you would organize the pump and up, it's a little different. Like you have to like buy it for weeks, plan on that. Like we could prove that we just were like.
There goes my idea.
Now, guys, we're not live right now, right? We're not live right now. Let's do this. Everyone get it. We're gonna pump and dump these.
Yeah, we're
live. Oh God, my bad.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh, no. So yeah, guys, and listen, like, let's have fun. Audience, we love you guys. We appreciate you all for being here. We want this to be exciting. We want it to be interactive. I want you guys to jump on to interact with us on Twitter. Talk shit. Maybe your P&L is higher than the team because there's a dashboard. Crusader, you want to pull that up? There's a dashboard that ZoomX has made for us that ultimately is going to show each week like where everybody's at. So if you're that person that's at the top of the dashboard, let's hear about it for sure. Also, we want to announce, while Crusader's pulling that up, our other sponsors, one of which is somebody that might be on the show right now, Market Cypher. So we appreciate Market Cypher, Crypto Face. We appreciate you, brother. You have always been good to us. We appreciate you. So glad that Market Cypher is going to be sponsoring. And then also Houdini Swap. If you don't know what Houdini Swap does, they are a decentralized exchange that literally uses Monero and makes all of the transactions private. They're going to be giving away some Poof tokens as well. We're trying to figure out what that number is, but we'll have that to you by Monday by the time we start for the winner as well. So we're going to be doing giveaways. We're going to be doing prizes. We're going to be having a lot of fun. So let's get after it. All right, bro. The moment we've all been waiting
our
for.
main, but not least.
Oh, well, obviously ZoomX.
ZoomX.
Yeah. The ones that made it happen. Yeah. So ZoomX is the platform that you're going to see everybody trading on. And just a disclaimer, this doesn't mean that every single person that's on trading on ZoomX is like sponsored by ZoomX. They've sponsored our channel to do this show. Just want to be really clear about that to everybody. All right, cool.
Let me pull up the thing that
you can pull up the draft board.
Yeah.
Any questions from the traders that are on here right now about rules or anything?
What about if I have a question?
Well, if you have a question, you can ask.
Somebody got that. Good job.
Hey, what do we?
No, just a joke.
All right, so that was the dashboard. All right, Crusader,
let's get it.
You got the Bitcoin coin, right?
Yeah.
Let me see both sides before you flip this thing, because I only trust you so much. Come on, which one is it? What's on one side?
Rug you, bro.
We got a Bitcoin on one side,
and then
we got
circuitry technology,
digital circuitry on the other side. All right, flip it.
All right, you're gonna call it in the air. I'm
gonna call it in the air.
All right,
heads. Yeah. All right. Woo. All right. So I've been thinking about this. I didn't know whether I was gonna get first pick or not. The way we have it set up is it's one pick, and then the next person gets to pick two, and then I get to pick two, and then it's one back, one or whoever.
Do you guys have a list of like all the 10 people?
Yeah,
we have a list.
Pull up the list,
Yeah, so the 10 people are as follows. There are Jason Casper, Evan Aldo, CVO, Magic Internet Money, Gareth Soloway, Ben Armstrong, Crypto Face, Crypto Blood, Crypto Crow, Lifer. Those are the 10 people that are on. Frankie Candles was on there originally. He had to move to season 2. A number of people were asking in the chat. He's still going to be on. He just needs to move to season 2. He had a bunch of stuff going on at the time, trying to set some stuff up. So.
Did you say Evan Aldo?
I did.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And
silence.
I didn't hear his name. I thought I don't know.
I think I heard my name. Yeah,
there we go. Yep. And there's 2 keepers in the house because Crusader knows what team's going to win.
Man, you keep going in the background and changing.
I got first pick and second pick apparently. All right, cool. Let's get it. You know what? Listen.
Who's your first pick, bro?
Listen. My first pick. I'm gonna tell you. I go off of confidence, and I like the confidence that he brought today. So it might be a sleeper pick because a lot of people don't see this man actively trading all the time like some of the other people. I'm going to pick Ben. I'll take Ben.
You're taking Ben as your first trade?
I'll take Ben. I'll take Ben.
I mean, hey, we brought all the attention with us. So, hey.
There it is. I like it.
I'm going to say if Team Keeper starting with Ben, Team Keeper struggling.
Let me tell you guys.
Oh, man.
I got a trick up my sleeve. I got a trick up my sleeve y'all don't know about yet. Y'all are going to learn about it if people don't know me.
Hey, you can't be using AJ in the background.
No. I'm going to be.
You can't be using AJ in the background.
Don't worry. I got a trick. And it will be me doing the trading. But I got a new thing.
Someone's going to tell you what to do
right now. So it's going to turn out to be a great pick.
All right, fantastic.
All
right,
I'll wait to see that. Bring the smoke, Ben. Bring the smoke.
You get two picks now. You get 2 picks now.
2 picks. All right.
Just pick wisely because
I'm looking at the list of all the traders here. All right, so I get 2 picks. I'm actually gonna go with 2 people that are not on the show.
Okay.
But I think they're gonna be great picks.
Okay.
I'm going with Gareth and Magic Internet Money. on my first two.
Ooh, you're gonna hold on a second. Hold on a
He's
second.
taking 2 heavy hitters. Oh my gosh.
So they're both great, but Gareth doesn't trade like this, right? Like they're both great traders. But Gareth,
Yes, he does.
in and out,
Yeah.
in and out,
He's
forced.
a day trader. He ain't no swing trader. He gets in and out.
Look,
All right,
everybody
well-
here's a beast, but the Team Crusader is looking stacked right now. Let me tell you.
All right, well, guess
Hey, what
what?
you got?
I'm
You got
about to
one
put.
or
I'm
two
about,
picks now.
I get 2 picks now, and
You
I'm
got
about to put
2
the
picks.
hammer down because I'm taking 2 people on the stream.
Okay. Okay, let's see.
I'm taking your boy Crypto Face, and I'm taking your
Ooh.
boy Crypto Lifer.
Oh
Right,
man,
let's
nice.
go.
Good.
Oh, look,
showed
bro.
up.
See, hey, listen,
show
my
up
team showed up,
today.
right? They
We're
showed
actually
up.
gonna
What I
to
like
this
about that
stream.
is he's gonna
I
have
don't think
Cypher.
Soloway's even gonna show up.
And I have mine, and with him with Market Cypher and with my strategy, if we both see the same thing, that's like a very high probability.
Well, I gotta
Because
say,
I
with
look
all
at
of
the
our
thing.
hairs versus Gareth Soloway's man bun, I think we're on top.
Oh.
Like his man bun.
Oh my god. Okay, so
hair
far I've got Ben, Face, and Lifer, and you have picked Magic and Gareth.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, so now you
1 or 2 picks now. Just
got 1 pick now. Yeah.
1 pick now.
Yeah.
All right. I am going. I'm gonna take Evan. I'm gonna take Evan.
You gotta take him. He's on the stream. You gotta take him. It's the move. It's the move. You gotta take him. Great pick.
Oh, you're still so listen, you're stealing my strategy here. I was about to pull another Market Cipher player up in the house.
Nah, bro, got it.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Being
gonna
spot,
shut
bro,
him.
gotta
I'm
pull that
shutting
magic.
off.
Bro,
his
you know what I'm about to
subscription.
do? I'm about to steal CVO because I know what's in your brain right now. You're thinking if you can get CVO and Magic together, that you would like that. Hold on, let me look at the list again. Hold on a second. So who's left? Oh, bro. Hold on. No. I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna change take my boy Blood.
Ah, you messed up. Got you, fool. I'm gonna take CBO.
You messed up.
You're taking CVO. You're taking
I'ma
CVO.
take CVO,
I
bro.
knew it. I
Hell
knew
yeah,
it.
man,
I
I'm
knew
a
it.
duo, bro. They're a duo.
I was considering. All
Take
right, so I've got Face, Ben, Lifer, and Blood. You know what? I'm gonna take another giant in the space, so to speak. I know this might not be the most popular trading pick, but I think he's been solid in the past and has been really good on some calls too. I'm gonna take Crow.
bro.
I like it.
Bro. If anybody knows, if everyone's paying attention.
If nothing else, I got the most entertaining and best traders.
Bro,
I mean,
got Jason Casper as my last.
oh shit,
pick.
I forgot about Jason Casper. That was
You guys are done for.
Jason's good. All right, so the
Crusader all
teams.
the way, bro.
The teams are I've got Ben, CryptoFace, Lifer, Blood, and Crow. And Crusaders got Gareth, Magic, CVO, Evan, and Jason. Chat, I want to know. Type of 1. You just heard who the teams are. Type of 1 if you think Team Keeper is about to take this. And type a 2 if you think Crusaders team is about to take this. And we need a team name, by the way, gentlemen. Got 3 of the 5 of us.
We're gonna be. I think our team. We're gonna be the fucking team guys, like our Delta Marines. We're going through war right now. Team guys. We're fucking team guys.
Oh, that's awesome because I don't know if you guys saw the Altcoin Daily interview, but I think the guy from Hit Network, he made a statement that I am team guys. So he said that on the. Y'all saw that.
Oh, really?
I'm team guys. I love guys.
Team
guys.
guys.
Awesome. Glad to be working with guys. Love guys.
Hey, bro,
Love
it's
guys.
2023. You got to be progressive, bro.
You got to be
That's right.
progressive. You know, you
That's
just
right.
got to go for it. So team guys, and I like the way.
Well, I'm
Kurdo
talking
said it.
about
Pardon my
Delta
French. He
Force
said,
special,
"We are
special
fucking
forces.
team
We're
guys." That
fucking
was
team
perfect.
guys.
Yeah.
We got each other's backs. Remember, I told you I'll bail you out of jail if you ever go to jail. You can always call me, no matter what. I will bail. I'll bail you out of jail if that ever happens.
And for some of us, that actually
Fucking
happens.
team
So.
guys.
To be honest, man, my dad died. This dude sent me a message, man. Really, and we hadn't really you're the man, dude. God bless you, bro. That really meant a
Yeah,
lot.
I know how it feels, man. And
I know.
for sure,
I'm sorry about your mom, man.
glad to be on your team. Glad to
Sorry
be
about
on
your
your
mom,
team.
man. God bless
See,
you.
look at my team already. We're already
We're gonna go to war, man.
Let's get it, bro.
It's ready.
Evan, I told you were going to be on the best team, bro. I told you were going to be on a stacked team.
He lied.
Hey, I think
I
I really do think it's going to be really interesting though, because of the fact that the 2 things that I said, right? You're forcing people to trade during a certain time frame, and how's the strategy work out? Like what, like Face trades on really low time frames all the time, right? So like he's good at that.
7-minute. We're gonna be on the 7-minute.
You know what else I realized? I got all the young blood.
I'm playing the 7-minute every day.
Well, I took the old guys.
Team old.
Oh, that's a good point. I got all the old guys. Hey, experience, bro.
Experience.
We gotta have like some side bets. Like the losing team has to drive through a car wash with the windows down or something,
and put it
like slime. Get hit with slime, like a slime dunk or something.
Put it on YouTube.
Yeah, the slime, the Nickelodeon.
Let me borrow their Lamborghini for that. So. I think what I'm really interested to see Garrett Soloway and Crow go head to head, because obviously a lot of people know Crow. He's very tall. He's 7 foot, but I don't know. Garrett's man bun is pretty tall as well. I don't know. He may actually be taller than Crow with the man bun on top. So,
dude, I had the biggest man bun, but I cut the back of my hair, bro. When my girl was my man bun, it was like a foot long on its own, but I cut my hair. So,
wow. Yeah, Garrett surprised me when I met him in person how tall he was. Actually, I was surprised. I always thought he was short.
Well, he's like 6'1". He's not super tall, but he's
but I just thought he was
he's
short.
Taller than you expect.
He's normal. He's normal size.
He's 6'1".
I don't know why. I don't know why I thought he was shorter than that. But
you guys thought he was like a dwarf. You thought he was like a
dwarf? Well, here's an interesting thing.
Everyone thinks I'm tall, and then they meet me like, "You're not as tall as I thought you were." I'm like, "Oh, that's great. Nice to meet you, man."
There's a phenomenon on YouTube or really with all content, where whoever you're watching, you assume that they're the same height as you. So like, watching Crow, you don't know he's 7 feet tall. You meet him in person, like, surprising. But if somebody's a little bit shorter too, then like I used to work with a guy that might be 5'7", and people would meet and be like, "Oh, you're shorter than we thought you were." It's like because people just look at you and think that whether you're taller or shorter than that person. Of course, women is a little bit different because women are going to be shorter than men in general. But still, like when a girl is short, like 5'2" or under, like you still are shocked because you're watching. Like Wendy's very small. But when you watch her on YouTube, like you think she's, I don't know, like 5'6", 5'7", 5'5", but she's like 5'2", I think, like 5, something like that.
Maybe 5'2". Yeah, she's pretty short. Okay, so everybody, the teams, one more time. Let me just announce them again for anybody just jumping in. My team: Ben Armstrong, Crypto Face, Crypto Lifer, Crypto Blood, Crypto Crow. Team Crusader: Garrett Soloway, Magic Internet Money, CBO, Evan, Jason Casper.
Is there a even spread of, because it's on Mondays and Thursdays, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is there like an even amount of people on each day that are going to be here?
5 people each team.
The only day that we know of so far that somebody just absolutely had, I think, is on Monday. I think CBO can't. I think Monday. There
is more volatility on Monday than Thursday.
Yeah, so there's more volatility on Mondays than Thursdays.
Well, no, dude, Thursdays. I would say Monday and Thursday. Yeah,
Thursday afternoon's done. 2 p.m. it's over, bro.
Of the
3 o'clock it's like paint dry. But
well, that's what we got leverage for, Lifer. That's what we got leverage.
Even harder to get that gain, Got to dig in the sand.
So everybody that's in the chat,
$1,000. I wipe my ass. I just wipe my ass with $1,000 before this stream.
Don't blow up the account on
the
day
rookie
one.
number is Crypto Face.
Yeah, don't be blowing up the account.
If it gets dirty and nobody else will take it, Crypto Face, I'm kind of hard up right now. So
the chat, 20% if you guys sign up, you guys can compete against the traders. You can trade 24/7. Just a reminder, the traders are just going to be trading for the 1 hour time block between 3 and 4 o'clock, and we're going to start at 2:45 so we can game plan, get together, figure out what we're going to do for the day. Boom, trading starts at 3 to 4. We'll have the dashboard up throughout the week. We'll be posting stuff on Twitter. Everybody be retweeting, interacting, having some fun with it, talk some trash. Crusader, you're going down, bro.
Team, are you guys down for like a private Zoom with just even one time to kind of like, because I have a cool little strategy that I think could pan out really well for this.
Yeah,
it's
we'll
one indicator that could just.
Hey, oh boy. Market Cipher is also 20% off down in the description.
Oh yeah, Market Cipher is 20% off as well.
We're doing the code and it's active now. It's Trading Wars 20. The number 20. So Trading Wars is with a Z, not warts. Okay, not wart. Trading Wars 20% off Market Cipher any option.
Yes, sir. All right, gents. we appreciate you guys for coming on. Anything else before we? I think are we
I
going
was
to
going
jump
to
in?
ask them quickly about what
Yeah.
you guys think. You know, the CPI information coming out not being so good, and with a potential spot ETF being approved, how do you guys think that's going to affect volatility this next throughout the competition?
Oh man, I mean, go ahead.
I was going to say, I think we're going to see volatility. I mean, I think that we're getting, you know, the 4-year cycle says that we should start moving up slowly in Q4. The last time we had a bull run, obviously we had the pandemic crash, which cut short the pre-run up to the halving. So if we didn't have that, if people remember from in January of 2020, the price went up from about $6,000 when all hope was lost, and we were all thinking maybe crypto is dead and the cycle wasn't happening anymore because prices were just stuck at numbers we didn't think they'd be at. And you know, it started moving up in January, went from 6K to 10K, and then I was watching Crypto Face's stream on March 12th that morning that everything crashed. And that was a day that it went, I think it was around 8,500. It dropped all the way back down to 3,900 that day. And so there, you know, if we hadn't had that pandemic crash and the rumors of what was going on over in China and Italy and all that stuff, then I think we would have been at a higher price point. The halving, we might have been up to, you know, 12 or 13K or something like that naturally without having that pandemic plunge. So this time we may have a black swan with what's going on in the Middle East, but if we don't have black swan, then I certainly think we're going to start seeing some volatility as we head towards the end of the year. And you know, I think October, November, that's when we should start seeing it.
Markets are mute right now to this war. Like Peter Schiff tweeted about, I think the other day, he's like, the markets are, you know, like they are like responding, but not really. You know what I'm saying? These markets are so
oil will pump,
so fake and infused with bullshit. You know, I mean, yeah, oil's doing good and all that stuff, but like, yeah, normally the markets kind of react more than they have been, I guess, with the news. But maybe we're just all used to the bullshit. Who knows?
Is anyone short? Is anyone short or long right now?
Yeah,
like, I see short. Like if I had to call it, I call it short. I'm 26.
I exited my short. I wasn't a short. I closed it this morning. I'm looking for a reason to long.
Are we closing green? You guys think we're going to close October green or we're going to close it red?
I do.
We've only had one other red October and a green September.
Hunt for Red October, one of my favorite movies.
I think October and November are probably going to be red in my view, and then I think we could get some green months, December, and potentially into the halving some green months. But my guess, October, November, a lot of blood.
A lot of blood. Yeah. Macroeconomically, we've got lots of problems. I'm with it. I think we're going to be doing a lot. I think it's going to be shorting wars is what it might be.
Hey, bro, they're going to turn the money printer on any second now, especially with the conflict over there happening. If they start getting involved in that.
Yeah, but remember when QE starts, when the Fed pivots, usually it takes a few months after that to really bottom out. So I think we got, once you turn that on, then wait a little bit, wait for the last drop down, then you're kind of home free.
Hey, when's this solar eclipse I've been hearing Bill talk about forever? Isn't it like today or something or tomorrow?
Yeah, it's soon. Someone said that
coming up this weekend, I think.
It's this week on Friday. Is it Friday?
What is it? What?
Solar eclipse. It's happening either the 13th.
They've been Friday the 13th solar eclipse, right? Of course, you know.
That's bearish.
Yeah, I don't know. They've been talking about a huge dump, or a huge bump.
Solar eclipse on the 14th.
Oh, it could go up or it could go down.
A day and 19 hours.
I just
can go up, down, or sideways. Short and long term.
I don't think we're going to see a good below 25.2. If it goes below 25.2, we're probably in trouble towards the end of the year. So I think it can certainly go down and challenge that. But I think right now, y'all are kind of just saying what everybody's saying right now. It's like, oh, God, the market's going to dump. And they've been saying that for 3 months.
I put the weekly in a descending triangle today. Today was the first day I was bearish because, you know, I saw a descending triangle on the weekly. Yeah. And if the 3-day loses the 200 SMA, we're going to see some downside. And the 300.
Yeah, well, I think you could be right. I do think, like I said, I think 25.2 is still in play, but I just don't think it goes below that. So I think we will see the price go down a little bit. But, you know, like, guys, we're used to trading like big ranges and super volatile markets, and the last several months have been really flat. And so like a drop from 26.6 to 25.2 seems like a big deal. But I mean, that's not even that big of a move. You know what I mean? Like, and it's just what we're used to right now, recency bias.
Yeah, for sure.
Somebody said do get it right sometimes. I mean, a lot of people were bullish at the end of 2020. I mean, don't always get it wrong.
Somebody said my buddy's in San Diego. They sent a carrier over there this morning. We're getting ready. I'm telling you right now.
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
Things are tense for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna be rocking and rocking.
Looks it was pretty all
I don't
organized.
know. I just, like, what's the? I mean, this is not a political stream, but like, I just don't know what the win is for Israel and getting into a conflict, like terrorist group or what they perceive to be a terrorist group. Some people don't think if you're Palestinian, you don't think Hamas is a terrorist group, but they went in, killed a lot of people. It's bad. Israel's got to respond, has to do some kind of response, but like long term, like they're not kicking the Palestinians out of Israel, out of the Gaza Strip for good. So really all they can do is a show of force and try to snap the people back in line that are, getting reckless and, maybe put some sanctions or something like that. But I think this is going to end pretty quickly. I don't think this is going to be any kind of full. There's just no win for Israel because they're not going to be able to remove.
Shit. I said it was going to be over quick, and it's not. It's shit's going to. They've been fighting forever. It's going to keep fighting. That shit ain't going to end.
Yeah, I agree. But that's a much larger landmass you're fighting over in many more ways inside the country. And there's a win for both. Russia's win would be taking over Ukraine. Ukraine's win would be kicking Russia out of Ukraine. With Palestine and Israel, they're kind of like stuck together, and there's no real conflict to this resolution, to this, or no real resolution of this conflict. So, like, I think cooler heads will prevail after a couple of weeks, and this will go away, even though it's very bad right now. I just don't see what the win is in Israel trying to create some kind of military occupation. I mean, some people would say they already do that with Gaza, but a more intense one. So I don't know. We'll see. I just don't think this is going to have. I think by the middle of November, in my opinion, I think this is going to be over. I think there were some opportunities for Russia and Ukraine to end it early, and we had some hope that they would. But it's turned into a much longer, drawn out thing because there's so much space and they can send troops everywhere. Everything's so compact in Israel, and we know it's just a powder keg there. So. We'll see what happens, but I think
you guys hear that strategy.
That
is our team. That's our team talking right now.
That's that
military strategy right there. Don't mess with us, man.
The real war coming right here.
That's right.
On Monday.
That's right. Monday afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, 2:45. Be here. Don't miss it. I am going to be heckling the heck out of Crusaders team on Monday. And I forgot to announce so that everybody knows. Crusaders team will be on Mondays, and my team will be on Thursdays. Obviously, we want you to show up both days, whatever. But it will be Crusader on Monday. 2:45 to 4. The trading will be 3 to 4.
Up, but we'll figure it out. I'm not making no excuses. We'll find a way.
We're not gonna chop it up. You mean we're not gonna have
If we have to use the 1 minute, if we have to use the 30, if I have to
trade
the 1 second chart, I will trade the
Monday, one team on Thursday. Why don't we have both teams on both days a little bit? You know what I'm saying?
Well,
no, that's not my show. I'll shut up.
Well, scheduling, you just can't face. Like, people couldn't do it. You know what I mean? Like, we had to do it that way.
Yeah, people couldn't commit to showing up 2 days in the week.
Yeah, it was just it was an overload on people's schedules. So that's what.
Well, no, I was saying 2 or 3 people from each team. Like you split like half was like never mind.
Next season, I like it though. I think it's a
good. We can talk about it, but it does kind of take the team.
Lifer wanted Monday, so are we swapping Thursday and Monday every other time? Is it going to be every other week? We change?
No, Lifer wanted Thursdays. I think is what he was saying. Lifer, you like to trade on Thursdays, don't you?
Volatility.
I can't. My team had a reason for why I had to be a certain day. I don't. You know what I mean?
Well, right. But I'm saying if you got to pick, would you trade on Mondays or Thursdays? Just curious.
Thursday.
Monday has more volatility. Honestly, Monday has more volatility, but it's also a lot of fake moves. I personally like to stay away from Monday until 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I personally stop trading at 3 o'clock on Thursdays. So it's like for me personally,
so
I slow down at 4 o'clock.
Listen, most Thursday, we'll let them hang themselves. But
I'm saying, dude, I don't. It's fun. We're gonna figure out a way. We will find a way. Opportunities find an opportunity. We will find a way to win.
Team keepers coming up with a lot of excuses already. I'm just saying. I don't know.
We're just brainstorming.
That's right.
They could get rocked and wrecked. They could get a false move. Like it look like it's going to go up, and then they'll get trashed.
I think it's going to be tough no matter
Monday's
what.
a tough day to trade, so it could work in our favor. We'll see what happens, man.
I think it's going to be tough no matter what, man, because ultimately think about it. We genuinely are forcing people to trade and get in and out of trades. Like everybody's got to get in and out of a trade. What if you're in a kick-ass trade and you're like, bro, it's freaking 259. Like you got to exit this. You know what I'm saying? Like
I'll have another account that I'll double. That way I don't get pissed. Right?
Can we not stay? It's like
at the same time.
You have to stay in that trade till
No. You can enter and exit as many trades as you want within the hour.
Saying, like, if I'm in a trade and the episode's over, I can't do anything until the next week, or I have to get out at the end of the show that day.
You have to finish all your trades at the end of the episode, and you can't trade again until you show up back on screen.
Okay. I have a question. Does the $1,000, like if you not that I would do this, but if you risk $1,000 in one individual trade and then just pull out the account, is that it for the competition, or do you get?
You're going to be sitting on the sidelines, and you're going to be coaching with me or with Crusader.
Okay. So you have
Crusader. That's your player asking that. What kind of question is that?
Wait a second.
That's a good question.
What about like Fortnite, right? Like my kids play Fortnite. Like, hey, one of them dies on the team, one of them can revive the other one.
See, that's also a strategy. What if one guy risks it all, another guy's more conservative,
and he sends money, and he sends his money over to the other account to res.
Yeah, like you could revive someone if they're dead.
With the money in your, can I toss him 5 of my G and keep him alive?
Maybe. Maybe.
Well, but the question is,
strategy.
Would you want to do that if he lost
Probably
all the money?
Not.
So, and by he, we all know we're talking about me because that is the way that I trade.
Oh my god,
that's your first pick. No. That's your first pick.
Yeah, except I don't.
We're going. We're going to get rich. We're going to get rich or die trying, just like you always say, Crusader.
That's right.
That's it.
Yo, I have to bounce, but I'm looking forward to it, and I'll be here next week. Hopefully,
right, bro. No, not hopefully. We will see you next week.
I sure hope so.
I will see
you
then.
You're in trouble, bro.
I will see you then.
Bye, CryptoFish.
Later, guys.
Later, bro. Oh my god, I think it's going to be a lot of fun, guys, for sure. What was I going to throw out there? Yeah, if you guys have any questions, chat wise or just anything, toss it either into the comments or hit us up on Twitter. We're going to be really paying close attention to Twitter, making sure that everybody is up to date where things are at.
The only thing I would say,
someone said liquidation wars.
Liquidation wars.
That's something I can
like. Well, it was going to go 4 weeks, but all of the professional traders lost all of the money like immediately. It was like a 1 week thing. It was like Trading Wars.
100x leverage, full no stop loss, full $1,000 risk, just immediately liquidated.
But
I'm not going to lose all the money. Hypothetically, if I did lose all the money, what do I do? Who knows?
Yeah, we'll have to figure that out.
Somebody else for money.
We'll have to figure that out.
We'll figure it out. I mean, like I said, right? Some good strategies, reviving a teammate, sending some money over. We'll figure something out. Maybe put in a few bucks and just revive the team. But I was going to say to the audience, if you guys are signing up, we are going live Monday, right? Start loading your accounts with whatever money it is that you're going to be trading. Don't wait till Monday when the show goes live because the time ticker is starting at that time. You don't want to be scrambling, watching the show, and trying to send money over to the exchange. Load up your accounts this weekend, get ready, and then Monday and Thursdays, you already know whatever money you're going to have on there is there, and you're ready to compete and have a good time.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. All right, gents. Well, I know everybody's got to jump off. We appreciate you guys for coming, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Team Keeper, let's take this dub.
Team Keeper theme song.
Yeah.
He's got the soundboard. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go.
All right, gents. Hey, gentlemen, before you guys jump off, Lifer, tell everybody what you got going on right now, what time you're streaming, all that good stuff.
Oh, yeah. I stream every day, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. I try to end at like 11:40, but it just never seems to happen. Like today, I went to 12:20, even though I had a dentist appointment at 12:30.
Yeah, you tell people to call you at 8, and then you stream till 8:40. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, so I didn't know I was going to live that day.
I've seen this show. Yeah.
But so I go live every single day, Monday through Friday, 10 to 12, and then Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. But I also do a quick morning update on the weekends. Okay. But I don't have a time. I waltz in between 8 and 10. I just kinda, yeah.
Cool. Ben, what do you got going on?
Every Wednesday night with someone from around the blockchain as well. Every Wednesday night we do an interview, the price report.
Okay. Cool. Ben, what's going on with you, brother? I know things have changed a lot for you recently. What time and what do you got going on?
Yeah, guys. Well, I'm a brand new YouTuber here in the crypto industry.
Well, you fucking grew fast.
Well, it's my rugged good looks, obviously. All ladies follow me in crypto. So, started a channel recently, and I'm trying to get a hold of this YouTube thing and this crypto thing. And, I came over from the comedy industry, and now I'm here in crypto. So super excited to, make some trades and have people laugh at them.
Welcome. Evan, what about you, bro?
Yeah, so check the YouTube channel is just at my name. It's Evan Aldo, and I try to live stream almost every day during the week. You know, it's a little bit sporadic. I try to come on when the market's actually doing something, so you're not just staring at paint drying. Also, try to do daily TA updates, you know, during the week as well. So check those out all on my channel. And I have a free, 100% free DCA crypto course, not really a trading course, but a DCA crypto course on my website, evanaldo.com. So check that out.
Cool.
Awesome.
All right, gents, we appreciate you for coming on. Crusader, do we have something that we're going over news-wise or no? I didn't remember.
No. We already had the conversation.
Okay, cool. All right, well, we love you guys. You could have been anywhere.
One last thing.
Thursday.
I just redid my website, cryptolifer.com. Check it out. We spent a lot of time on it, and yeah, that's it.
All right, we'll check out the website.
Oh, I want to play a plug for my website too.
Yep, hit it.
Actually, I don't have one now.
You will get one soon.
Thank you.
I guarantee.
We'll fix
Somebody
it.
actually made a comment here. They're saying, how can I ask for donations when I'm participating in a trading competition? Well, thank you, ZoomX, for providing funds for me to trade with.
Absolutely.
So there you go. There's the answer.
ZoomX has
they donated some money to me to trade with. So thank you.
Yes,
guys.
they
And
absolutely did.
Hopefully, having dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Bill probably be wrong.
Thank you for the super chat. Wick said, thank you for organizing all this. The TA community needs to hang out more. This is a good excuse. A good excuse. Oh, I got it. Good excuse. Like he must be younger. You know what I'm saying? It's probably a cool way to say it, and I just didn't know it. Cool excuse. Got it. Appreciate it, Wick. We love you guys. You could have been anywhere on a Thursday. Just remember, Mondays and Thursdays, Trading Wars, 2:45 to 4 o'clock. Make sure that you're there. Sign up. Use the link in our description. Guys, they're giving you 20% on top of whatever you put in right now. Market Cypher is 20% off right now. Use Houdini Swap as you're moving funds to make everything private. And check out ZoomX because
and
they
20% off on trading fees as well through the competition.
Oh yeah, I forgot. 20% off on fees too, which is always nice.
And the audience members get whoever gets the highest P&L wins. They can get $1,000.
Win that money. We love you guys. Just remember, question everything.
Trust nothing.
And until next time,
hodl like it's hot.
Hodl.
You forgot your fate.
Well, I thought we were gonna like throw in a trading
the
wars.
old man
there,
thing.
so.
The old man.
Yeah, Alzheimer's. Alzheimer's.
Minonomics.
All right, fam. We love you guys. Have a good day. Thanks, guys.